Welcome to Carpedia, your ultimate destination for all things automotive. Get ready to rev your engines and embark on an exhilarating journey through the exciting and ever-evolving world of cars. The future of luxury driving is here. Introducing the all-new Lexus LBX, a mid-size SUV designed to redefine your expectations. The LBX boasts a captivating design that turns heads wherever it goes. The new Lexus grille makes a bold statement, while the sharp LED headlights pierce through the night with exceptional clarity. The sculpted body lines create a sense of movement and dynamism, even when standing still. Interior: step inside the LBX and experience a sanctuary of comfort and refinement. The spacious interior is wrapped in premium leather, offering ample legroom and headroom for all passengers. The panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, creating an airy and inviting atmosphere. The driver-centric cockpit puts everything you need within reach, from the customizable digital instrument cluster to the large touchscreen infotainment system featuring the latest Lexus interface. The LBX delivers effortless performance that inspires confidence on every journey. Specify engine options: powerful yet efficient, the advanced all-wheel drive system ensures optimal traction in any weather condition, while the available adaptive suspension system provides a smooth and comfortable ride. The LBX is equipped with cutting-edge technology that seamlessly integrates with your life. The Lexus infotainment system features a user-friendly interface with intuitive controls and voice commands. The LBX boasts a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features, including lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control, making every drive safer and more relaxing. The Lexus LBX is more than just an SUV, it's a statement of refined taste and discerning preference. It's a culmination of Lexus's heritage of innovation and unwavering commitment to luxury. The LBX is your perfect companion for any adventure, big or small. From navigating the bustling city to exploring off-the-beaten-path destinations, the LBX provides the comfort, capability, and luxury to create unforgettable experiences. Thanks for watching my video. We hope you enjoyed the journey through the world of cars with us. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a pit stop on our automotive adventure. Keep those engines roaring, and we'll see you on the next episode of Carpedia. Until then, stay safe, stay tuned, and keep cruising.